Hey everyone, welcome back to The Quiet Creator, the place where we explore the future of creativity using AI tools. In today's video, we're diving into an epic AI art showdown, DALL-E versus Midjourney. Which one creates better images? Which is easier to use? Which one gives you more value? Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI image generator is right for you. Let's jump in. First, let's get familiar. DALL-E is created by OpenAI, the same company behind ChatGPT. It turns simple text into images using artificial intelligence. You can use it right inside ChatGPT if you're a Plus subscriber. That means no extra apps, no new websites. It's fast and beginner-friendly. Then we have Midjourney. This tool is built for creative power. It works through Discord and is famous for its rich, dreamy, and artistic image style. While DALL-E aims for clarity and realism, Midjourney leans toward imagination and fantasy. Both are impressive, but very different. So, let's compare image quality. DALL-E generates clean, clear, and photorealistic images. Great for professional uses like business logos, thumbnails, or educational content. Midjourney, on the other hand, is next level when it comes to artistic visuals. Think fantasy art, glowing sci-fi landscapes, and cinematic portraits. If you're creating an Instagram-worthy piece or concept art for a story, Midjourney usually comes out on top. But for quick, understandable visuals, DALL-E is often better. Now, let's talk about user experience. DALL-E is incredibly easy to use. Just type your prompt inside ChatGPT, and it generates an image instantly. Simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. Midjourney is a bit different. You need to join a Discord server, type commands like /imagine, and wait in a chat room for your image. It's not hard once you learn it, but it definitely has a learning curve. So, DALL-E is better for quick and simple use. Midjourney is more advanced, but worth it if you want full control and custom styles. What about the cost? To use DALL-E, you'll need ChatGPT Plus, which costs $20 per month. But that also gives you access to GPT-4 and other features. Midjourney starts at $10 a month. But serious users often pay $30 or more for faster rendering and commercial licenses. If you only need AI art, Midjourney might be cheaper. But if you want a full AI toolset, DALL-E inside ChatGPT Plus gives more bang for your buck. So who are these tools really for? Use DALL-E if you're a content creator who needs thumbnails. Business owner making product images, teacher or marketer needing visual aids, choose Midjourney. If you are a digital artist, sci-fi, or fantasy storyteller creator who wants emotionally powerful visuals, you can also use both. DALL-E for fast, clean work, and Midjourney for passion projects. So, who wins the showdown? The truth is, both are winners. It all depends on what you need. If you want simplicity and speed, go for DALL-E. If you want artistic control and visual magic, go for Midjourney. Let me know in the comments, which one is your favorite, and what kind of art would you create with these tools? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to The Quiet Creator, and ring the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching, and keep creating with the power of AI.